Hey guys, what's going on? I'm here to show you one of the gifts I got for my husband for the holidays. We decided we weren't going to go crazy getting each other gifts this year, but I know that he needed like some new clothes, sweaters, stuff like that. Super comfortable. I don't know, for some reason with him, clothes never seem to last very long, or they get stained or stuff of that nature. So I wanted to get him some nice sweaters that are warm and most importantly comfortable, but also look good. So this is a pullover. I'm gonna open this up to show you guys. By Wrangler Authentics. Wrangler's been around for a long time. I'm sure most of you guys watching have seen or heard of it or own things by Wrangler, but they're a reputable company. They've been around a long time. They're really inexpensive. They make nice clothing and stuff. So I was just taking a look at the tag. So this says made in Bangladesh. It's 100% polyester in a size extra large. They did have a really nice blue pullover and black, gray. I think there was a green one too. The reason I chose red was because red is, I don't know, for the holidays, and my husband doesn't own too many red sweaters or just any red clothing in general, so I thought that this would be something nice for him to have for the holidays. So on the back here, what does this say? Let's take a look. No, the care instructions are not there. Just kidding. They're probably inside of the sweater, so let's take a look. Okay, so here are the care instructions. Machine wash cold, inside out, with light colors, only non-chlorine bleach when needed. Tumble dry low or line dry, and low iron. I guess that's the product number there, ZHGZB2Q. They have another language there. So I think that it looks like stylish but simple. It's just a pullover, but it has a little bit of a zipper, which I like. So if you want it zipped all the way, you could zip it all the way. And if you don't feel like zipping it all the way, you could zip it kind of almost as low as you want to. It zips down to the chest area. Oops, I got some white styrofoam on the sweater here. And then I'm going to show you guys the back of it. So here's the back. The tag that's on here, it says Wrangler Authentics, established 1947, real comfortable shirts, authentic shirts, 1947, 100% satisfaction guarantee on here. Let's see what this says. Since 1947, long time, Wrangler has been making life more comfortable, one garment at a time. If either the workmanship or materials in this garment is defective, or you are not completely satisfied with this garment for any reason, return it within 1 year to VF Jeanswear Quality Control Department, 1421 South Elm Street in Greensboro, North Carolina 27406, and replacement or refund will be made. This warranty is void if the garment has been subjected to accidental damage, abuse, or is worn out. This warranty gives you specific legal rights, and you may also have other rights which vary from state to state. Wrangler.com is their website. We fit your life. Copyright 2015 VF Jeanswear Limited Partnership, printed on recycled paper. So I think that this fits true to size too, because my husband actually purchased a Wrangler sweater last year that he absolutely loved. The arms are nice and wide. The reviews look good too, fits true to size. It's very soft and smooth, nice and comfy, perfect to cozy up in. And then the inside is like a fleece. And it's really soft, and this will keep you warm, perfect for the cold New York weather that we're having right now, and that I'm sure we will continue to have until at least March, or April I should say. Sometimes April can be cold, sometimes it even snows in April. So some nice seams on there. Just want to show you guys. Alright, so this is a Wrangler pullover, a Wrangler Authentics for men. I hope you guys found the video useful, and I thank you so much for watching. Have a great night.